Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Asiatic cheetah. Acinonyx jubatus venaticus is a subspecies of cheetah native to parts of the Middle East and South Asia. Once widespread across the region, it now faces significant challenges to survival, with its population in sharp decline due to habitat loss, poaching and human-wildlife conflict. The Asiatic cheetah is a relatively small, slender and fast predator. It is slightly smaller than the African cheetah. Its body length typically ranges from 110 to 135 centimeters for males and 95 to 120 centimeters for females, excluding the tail. Tail length about 60 to 80 centimeters. The weight of males typically weigh between 40 to 60 kilograms, while females are slightly smaller, weighing 35 to 50 kilograms. Their height is about 75 centimeters at the shoulder. The Asiatic cheetah has a streamlined body designed for incredible speed, with long legs, a narrow body and a small head. Its coat is golden yellow with black spots, similar to the African cheetah, but the spots on the Asiatic subspecies tend to be smaller and more densely packed. As the fastest land animal, the Asiatic cheetah's diet consists mainly of small to medium-sized ungulates. Their speed is their primary hunting tool, allowing them to run at incredibly fast speeds to catch prey. Asiatic cheetahs primarily hunt animals like gazelles, deer, wild boar, wild sheep and young antelope. They can also target smaller animals such as hares and birds. Unlike African cheetahs, Asiatic cheetahs are sometimes seen preying on domestic livestock, leading to human-wildlife conflicts. They rely on their incredible sprinting ability, up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, to chase and outrun their prey over short distances, typically around 200 to 300 meters. Males Asiatic cheetahs tend to be more social, sometimes forming small coalitions of brothers. These coalitions provide advantages in territory defense and protection from other predators. Females, on the other hand, tend to have smaller ranges, often overlapping with other females. They are known to be territorial and use scent marking to establish boundaries. Mating can occur throughout the year, but it usually peaks in the rainy season. Gestation period is around 90 to 95 days, and females give birth to 1 to 6 cubs, usually 2 to 3 cubs. Cubs are born in seclusion, and the mother hides them for their first few weeks. Afterward, she moves them to safer areas, usually under cover of dense vegetation. Cubs remain dependent on their mothers for up to 1.5 years before they become more independent. While adult Asiatic cheetahs have few natural predators, their cubs and young ones are vulnerable to threats from larger carnivores. Lions, tigers, leopards, wolves and striped hyenas may pose a threat to cheetah cubs, though adult cheetahs are agile and fast enough to avoid most predators. In areas where there are lions and tigers, cheetahs often avoid direct competition by hunting at different times or in different areas to avoid confrontation. But humans represent the greatest threat to Asiatic cheetahs through habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with livestock. The Asiatic cheetah once roamed vast regions of Asia. Its ancestors date back millions of years, originating in North America before migrating to Africa and Asia. Fossil evidence suggests cheetahs thrived in Asia for thousands of years, coexisting with other big cats like lions, leopards and tigers. Unlike its African relatives, the Asiatic cheetah adapted to the harsh, arid landscapes of the Middle East and Central Asia. Historically, it was widely used by Persian and Indian nobility for hunting gazelles and other prey. The Asiatic cheetah once roamed the vast expanses of the Middle East, Central Asia and parts of the Indian subcontinent. Their range extended from Turkey to India and Iran, with populations spread across parts of Pakistan, Afghanistan and China. Today their range has been significantly reduced due to habitat destruction, hunting and human encroachment. In the regions where they once thrived, Asiatic cheetahs held cultural significance. They were admired for their speed and grace and often featured in local legends and folklore as symbols of power, agility and beauty. The presence of Asiatic cheetahs in ancient art, poetry and literature reflects a long-standing relationship between these majestic animals and human societies. Their elusive nature added an aura of mystery and reverence in many cultural narratives. The Asiatic cheetah is critically endangered, with estimates suggesting fewer than 50 individuals remaining in the wild, all residing in Iran. Major factors contributing to the drastic decline in their population include habitat destruction, reduction in prey availability, poaching, and road accidents. The severe fragmentation of their habitat further limits gene flow, threatening the long-term survival of the subspecies. Efforts to conserve and rewild the Asiatic cheetah are focused on both protecting the remaining population and restoring their historical range. Iran has been a stronghold for the Asiatic cheetah, with the government and international wildlife organizations working together to protect the species in protected areas like the Kavir National Park and the Turan Biosphere Reserve. Some initiatives have focused on captive breeding programs, though the success rate of reintroducing cheetahs into the wild has been limited due to the complexities of their rewilding. There have been discussions about possibly reintroducing cheetahs into regions where they once thrived, such as India, though challenges like habitat fragmentation, prey availability, and human-wildlife conflict need to be addressed. Local communities are being educated on the importance of preserving the cheetah and its role in the ecosystem. The Rewilding African Cheetah Project in India. India has launched an ambitious rewilding project to reintroduce the African cheetah, Asiatic Cheetah, after the native Asiatic cheetah went extinct in the country nearly 70 years ago. In 2022, cheetahs from Namibia and South Africa were relocated to Kuno National Park, marking the first ever transcontinental reintroduction of a big cat. The project aims to restore ecological balance, as cheetahs play a crucial role in maintaining prey populations and ecosystem health. Despite challenges like habitat suitability and human-wildlife conflict, conservationists remain hopeful that the cheetah will once again thrive in India's grasslands. Thank you for joining us in learning about the Asiatic cheetah, one of the most fascinating yet critically endangered animals on the planet. From their unmatched speed to their incredible role in nature, these creatures are truly remarkable, and their conservation is vital for maintaining balance in their ecosystems. If you enjoyed this video and want to support our channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any future wildlife profiles. Feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going on how we can help protect the Asiatic cheetah and other endangered species. Until next time, let's continue to support efforts in conservation and raise awareness for the incredible creatures that share our world.